Is your PowerPro giving you this error code? If so, I'm about to show you how you can attempt to fix it yourself. Start by putting your machine on a sturdy surface. Take off the 2 set screws that hold the belt cover on. Remove the belt cover. We've got a fixture that allows us to mount the headstock and put it in any position to make repair a breeze. This is the front of your motor on your PowerPro. To remove the motor, we need to remove the 5 motor pan screws. You'll also need to remove the black plastic cable retainer with a pair of pliers. Now, holding the motor onto the frame are 6 screws, 2 on each side and 2 at the front at the bottom. You'll want to loosen them but not fully remove them just yet. These 2 set screws right here determine the tightness of the belt, and you'll need to back them out so that you can remove the belt more easily from the pulley. 2 screws below these will need to be loosened as well. Once all these steps are complete, push the motor toward the top of the headstock and effectively loosening the belt. Remove the belt. This may take a little effort and time, but once done, you can hook the belt onto the lower output hub. This keeps it out of the way. Now put some support underneath your motor so it doesn't fall. Once the motor is free, you'll need to remove the zip tie from the green ground cable attached to the bottom of the motor. Then there are 2 other zip ties holding the cable harness together. Then you want to unplug both cable harnesses that connect the machine to the motor. Now you can remove the motor and stand it upright so you can work on it. The black cover can be removed by taking out these 3 screws. Then the fan sheave will be exposed. You will need a set of outside snap ring pliers to take off the snap ring. Next, you need a 2mm Allen wrench to loosen this set screw. Be careful not to strip this set screw. The fan sheave is not available, and messing this up will require the entire motor to be replaced. Now get 2 hefty flathead screwdrivers and pry the fan sheave upwards off the shaft. This may happen easily, or it may require some elbow grease. If it doesn't come off, you'll need a special wheel puller to get the job done. Now that the fan sheave is off, notice this green chip with these 3 sensors. This is responsible for reading the speed of the motor in conjunction with the fins on the fan sheave. So get yourself some brake cleaner to clean down the fan sheave thoroughly. Make sure to clean between the fins and the outer edge of the fan sheave. With compressed air, clean the black sensor on the green circuit board as well. Hopefully through this video you've been able to fix the RPS error code 0 on your PowerPro. If it didn't fix the issue, or you find that you'd rather not do it yourself, we'd love to help you fix the issue. For conventional headstocks, you can simply ship us the headstock that's been properly packaged following the video on our shipping page. But with PowerPros, the process is a little different. We've noticed when customers ship us PowerPros, regardless of how well they're packaged, they can get damaged by the shipper in transit. It's fairly likely that if you ship a PowerPro without the specialized packaging Shopsmith uses at the factory, it will arrive to us damaged. The damage typically costs at least $600 to repair. So the best option if you're having issues with your PowerPro is to contact us first by either going to shopsmithrepair.com or calling the number below. We will most likely direct you to remove the motor, the power supply, and the control panel and ship these 3 components to us instead of your entire machine. If you like an instructional video on how to remove all 3 of these components, click the link in the description or visit our shipping page. This is James with Authorized Shopsmith Repair, and we'll see you next time.